welcome to my channel. In previous video, I have taught you about narration and the basic rule of narration. So I will begin with my second video on the same topic. So today we will learn some rules about narration. In the previous chapter, we have learned that how a sentence is changed into the indirect form when the reporting verb is in present and future tense. There is no changes of tenses whenever we change a present or future reporting verb to indirect form. So today we are going to learn the second rule, narrations rule 2. So in narration, what is the rule 2? Now we will learn here that if the reporting verb, up to here all of you have understood what is reporting verb. So if the reporting verb is in the what tense? Past tense. That means if the reporting verb is as said, have you understood? Said. Then what are the things we will have to do when we will change it into indirect form? Then there will be changes of tenses. So now we will accordingly see here which tense will be changed to which. Means if the sentence or if the reporting clause is in present indefinite tense, then it will change to past indefinite tense. Have you understood? No. Okay. I will explain it to you with an example. Let's see an example here which will make you easy to understand it. Okay. Let's see an example here. For example, the boy said to me, comma code, I am here to help you. Yes, I am really here to help you in grammar. Okay, now we will see what is the changes that we have to do. Now I have already written here that if the reporting verb is in the past tense, so the reporting verb, we know that this is the reporting verb here and it is in past tense. Then there is changes of tenses. So, and this sentence is of present indefinite tense. This sentence is of present indefinite tense. How we came to know? If there is an is, am, are in a sentence with an object, then it is a present indefinite tense sentence. So this type of sentences will be changed to past indefinite. So we will change it to indirect form. The boy, what will be the past tense of said? As we are using in an indirect form, so we will write here told. Isn't it? Said will be changed to told. The boy told me. And the comma code will be, what we will do to comma code? We will omit it and we will write here that. The boy told me that he, third form of the verb. Now we will change this present form of a be verb and it will be changed to was. And here will be changed to there. To help me. Full stop. Have you understood it? The present indefinite tense is changed to past indefinite. Is, am, are is the be verb and it is changed to was, were. So when we have changed this sentence, we have used here was, and so it had been changed from present indefinite to past indefinite. So in this way we will have to change. Next, here we have changed the present indefinite. Now the second is present what? Present continuous. It is right, present continuous. So can you say to what we will change it? Yes, past continuous. Continuous word itself given us an idea that the sentence will be in continuous form. That means playing, singing, writing in this way. So to understand it more clearly, come to the example. Okay, can you say me some examples of present continuous tense? Okay, right. The man said to his wife, comma code, I am standing here to help you. Got it? Okay. I am standing here to help you. Here, the sentence itself describes us is at a present continuous because there is an be verb here and with the main verb there is the ing and it is in the continuous form. So, we can write the structure of it is MR. This is the present form of the be verb plus main verb. Stand is the main verb plus ing. So what it became? It became a continuous form of verb. Understood? Now we will change change it to indirect form. Let's try it. The man said will be changed to told. Good. The man told what? Yes, his wife. To will be omitted. The man told to his wife. Comma code is omitted here and then we write here that. That. I is changed to third form. He and. Can you say me what I am will be changed to? Past form of is MR. Was. Good. And the continuous form of the verb will be same. He was standing. Here will be changed to there. To help whom? Help her. Have you understood? Now we will write the structure here. Was where. If it is as it is a singular, so we have used was plus main verb ing. So this is the present continuous form which is changed to past continuous. It is very easy, isn't it? Now, third, present continuous. After that, present perfect. Present perfect. It will change to, yes, past perfect. Good. So, come, we will learn it with an example. The girl said. The girl said, comma code, I have finished the work. What? Just now. Full stop and close the code. I have finished the work just now. So, what we have noticed here, the present perfect word itself implies that the sentence is completed in itself. So, whenever a sentence is in the present perfect tense, we will notice there will be have and has, and the verb is already in the past participle form. That is, there will be ed. Have you understood? Okay. Now, let us change it. The girl said, I have finished work just now. we will change it. The girl told. Isn't it told? No. We will use here said. Why? Can you say me why? Because in this sentence what we have seen, that there is no object after the reported verb, isn't it? There is no object here. That's why we will write here said. The girl said. After that she had finished. She had finished the work just. Now will be changed to then. So what we have used here, had. It is so easy. If you give a little bit of concentration, will help you to learn it. Okay. So have as we said to had. The main thing, then it will change to, it is already in past participle. So in narration, the work is all about what? Tense. Small words, you will have to notice some small verbs and all, and it is too easy. Have as is changed to had, is am or was is changed to was. So in this way we have changed to present perfect tense. So up to here I think you are all clear. So one more last, that is fourth, present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Now it will be changed to past perfect continuous tense. So I will write the structure here already. I am going to write it. So present perfect, have as will be there, plus a new word been will be there, and continuous main verb plus ing. So the sentence will be in this form. Now let me give you an example. The boy said, comma code, I have been suffering from fever since yesterday. Okay, this is the sentence. Now let us change it. The boy said, good, because there is no object after it. Said, comma code will be omitted and we will write here that. And I will be changed to he. Have will be changed to had. Been will be same. Suffering will remain same. From fever since the yesterday will be changed to the previous day. So now all of you might be concerned about that. I have taught you all the rules now, but I haven't told you about this, why yesterday had been changed to the previous day. So as it is used in a third form of the verb, so there are some rules that I will give you in my video, so you can by heart it and it will be helpful for you. Okay, till here I have not written the past perfect continuous tense. I will show you. Have has changed to has. This is the structure. Actually these 10 sentences will be in this form and you will have to change in that form. So remembering the structure will help you a lot. So have as is changed to had, been will be same, and main verb ing. Have you understood? Okay. So up to here I have today taught you about narration, the rule number 2, that how a present indefinite tense is changed to past indefinite, present continuous to past continuous, present perfect to past perfect, and present perfect continuous to past perfect continuous. I think you have got some knowledge about narration now. So at the very last of my video, there are still some rules that I am going to teach you in my next video. So if you liked my video, if you liked my video, please like it. Okay, subscribe my channel so that I get more inspiration to make videos on it. And thank you a lot, and subscribe it. Okay, bye.